Hurry, hurry, hurry! Don't miss the boat! Look at that. That's the Caledonian Sky from Captain Cook Cruises right here in Fiji. Bulavinaka, everyone. Look at that. That is a new high-end ship doing some cruises throughout the Fijian Islands. And you know where they are today, everyone? They are in Taveuni, the Garden Island. And that's where I'm standing right now. Look at that beautiful view. Woo! That is an amazing ship. Just recently came here to Fiji, and that is really, really popular. Another awesome thing that you can do when you come to Fiji is you don't have to just go to one destination. Why would you do that, right? When you can take cruises like Captain Cook, and even South Sea or Blue Lagoon, and you can go to visit all different kinds of resorts and islands, because you know what? There are 333 islands in Fiji. How about that? About a third of those are inhabited and 2/3 uninhabited, and that's what makes Fiji so popular with yachties, people looking to explore all these beautiful islands. And guess what? We're opening the gates right here to a new opportunity for you right here in Taveuni. We're on a half acre of freehold land. You can see they're building over here 6 lots, and this home is just getting finished. And if you're looking for a place here, you want to do a short-term or long-term rental, this is a winner for you. I'm going to walk you around. I'm going to first show you the cottage over here that was originally started as a garage and then became a cottage. And I think we might have some surprises in here. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, they were waiting to do that. So caretaker's cottage there. You can see your backup water tanks here, and this is the back of the property. You can see it's kind of graded nice down, so all the water will flow off. This is lot number 6 up here, and you can see this beautiful outdoor shower area. We're coming off the back, but I want to show you the views. So on the left side here, we have a nice, beautiful villa. 2 beds, and you can see here's one of the bedrooms right here. I'm gonna take you in. Recessed LED lighting with the ceiling fan, nice glass louvers and these privacy screens throughout, all freshly painted. They're still finishing up the decking here. Swimming pool was planned over here. You can hear they're doing some construction over here too. Lots of exciting things going on here on the Garden Island of Taveuni. I absolutely love it out here. Only 20,000 people, if that. And you get these amazing views. Some other things that make Taveuni so unique and special is that this is one of the only places on planet Earth where you can stand, have 1 foot in yesterday and 1 foot in today. That's right. There's an international Dateline secret spot that you can check out when you're here. And amazing waterfalls. There's a natural rock slide that you must do when you get here. So many cool things. And Tremonto's has amazing food. Aroha, great pizzas. We're going to tell you all the great things going on here. But here is the nice tiled hot water heater there. Check this beautiful shower out here. Look at that. Nice work here. They're still putting in the vanities, and this is has access to, so you have the direct access from the bedroom and then also from the back door here. And there's your laundry, and I'm gonna just show you here. Look at these beautiful pine posts that they put in here and stained. Look really awesome. So this is that back where I came from, and you have this huge covered deck over here. Look at that. So that's all the boys are hiding out over there wanting to get on camera. So here you go. So there's you have a nice laundry facility. Here is that washroom again. You have a nice big walk-in back here for storage. That's where you'll hang up all your swimsuits, maybe your snorkeling and scuba gear. But look at it. Look at the views right here from the bedroom. Hello. And they're still getting everything finished here, but these beautiful fans and the lighting and the aircon units in here. The couch is ready to go. This is that beautiful rain tree. This is locally sourced. And this stuff they were using for firewood. Now they're sending it all over the world. They're staining it. And these things are going for big numbers and big prices around the world. But here you can see you have a nice whirlpool side-by-sides, fridge, freezer, a little oven over there, some extra storage. And then this they were using for their baby room, but this is a great little dining nook over here as well. If you wanted to also make that a home office, you could do that. And here is the second bedroom that we saw when we first came up to the deck. Nice high ceilings with the aircon, recessed light and ceiling fans, beautiful polished wood floors. And then this, you can see the vanity still about to come in. Toilet, see they're still doing some work here. And then this is the same shower enclosure right there. So this is can be finished off, or if you want to do the final touches, you can do that as well. And find out more, go to professionalsfiji.com. You can call us at +679 999 2051, and you can also contact us on WhatsApp at +1 480 444 6688. And if it's easier, just shoot us an email at info at professionalsfiji.com, and we'd love to hear from you. We'll tell you all about this really special opportunity if you're looking for a holiday home, full-time residence, or maybe you just want to do an income property. And when you're not renting it, you and your family and friends can come out here and enjoy it. And you can see this is all fenced in. And I'm going to come back and show you. So they're actually going to put, so you can see the swimming pool is going to go down there. Lots of extra storage down here underneath the house as well. And they're putting mains power poles throughout Taveuni right now. There's some that are already in various areas, but more power poles are coming in. And a lot of the places are on mains water. They have the water catchment tanks as backups. But right now you have the generator room over there. That's your power supply for right now. And then they did have solar up on the cottage on the other side over there as well. So, and then everyone else is running their sewerage with the septic systems. And there is that beautiful Caledonian sky boat and these great views here. So we hope you are having an amazing day. It's gorgeous here in Taveuni. Look at this gorgeous rain tree. Remember that plank that you saw in the kitchen? It comes from these beautiful trees here. And these grow wild all over the Fijian Islands. And you'll see some of these big rain trees and mango trees, and of course all the coconut palms and banana palms. So many things grow here. In fact, they call Taveuni the Garden Island, and the reason they say that is because everything grows so well and easy here. Look at the height of those palm trees over there. They told me, they said, Baron, when you come to Fiji, if you throw a rock in the ground, it'll grow. So I haven't tested that theory yet, but perhaps I will. So, all right, listen, everyone, it's just awesome day today, and I hope you're smiling. Whoa, look at this. Looks like my ride's here. Check this thing out. This is just another one of those fun toys you can get here when you come to the Fiji Islands. Kayaks and surfboards. Fun little Honda four-wheel drives like this. Wouldn't you love something like that? Sweet. All right, man. Let's go back down here and check out this beautiful ship. And if you're wondering, well, where's the beach? I'm going to guess it's that way. And it is very close by. And we're only about less than 10 minutes from Matei Airport in the north tip of Taveuni Island. So if you look in the Fiji Islands, Taveuni is the third largest island, and at the very top is Matei, and that is where the airport is, and that's literally just less than 10 minutes to the right. And then as you go down to the left, you're going to go down towards Paradise Taveuni and Aroha and a lot of great resorts down that way. And Taveuni also super famous for the soft coral diving right here in this Somo Strait. So if you're a scuba diver or snorkeler, this is world class. I encourage you to go on Google and look that up. So if you love diving, the Rainbow Reef, Cabbage Patch, Great White Wall, all those things, spectacular. And if you love fishing, I caught myself a barracuda going out towards Buda Bay between Taveuni and Vanuatu, and that was really fun. And there are a lot of dolphins coming back through here, pilot whales. So if you're a nature lover, look at these beautiful flowers. Oh, I could just keep going on forever, huh? All right. Looks like these guys are coming back out. All right, with that, we're going to say Vinaka Vakalevu. Mo, they have an amazing day. Hey! What's up, bro?